Hey guys, I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today we are sharing a brand new space that I've been working on. It is our homeschool / media room, and it's pretty exciting, so stay tuned to check it out. As usual, we'd love to have you guys like, subscribe, and comment on the video. We're happy to have you visiting our channel, and I hope you'll stick around. So today, this room's kind of multi-purpose right now. We've been using it as a media room, and then I just got it finished up for the kids' homeschool spaces. Maybe if you're looking to add like a homework space, if you don't need the whole homeschool room, this could give you some ideas as well. But I want to start with something really exciting. Y'all have, I swear, I've gotten so many questions over the years of people saying like, do you have any reclining sofas or chairs that are like more modern and actually pretty? And I'm always like, no, but now, thanks to Chita, C-H-I-T-A, Chita Living, I have used their sectional in our family room, and they just came out with this new one. I had to have it, of course. Thank you, Chita, for sponsoring this video. Check this out, you guys. Like, it is so pretty. First of all, really beautiful fabric. It's not too white. Like, I try to avoid anything that's like bright white just because it's so much harder to keep clean. And this is really similar fabric to our other one, which is cleaned so well. In fact, somebody got blood on it the other day, some child with an injury, and it came out. So that was pretty exciting. But this one, let me just show you here. Do we need to scooch that a little? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, you guys, I kid you not, it's like I could sleep here. No kidding. It is dreamy. But I can't get over how beautiful like the lines of it are, and then that it's this comfortable. They just really did, like, this is brand new. And what's cool is they just did such a good job with it. Really cool other details. They have a charger. Both of the like USB and the USB-C, both of those are in the arm. So you can be charging your phone and everything, and it's just like discreet right here. Honestly, like, so freaking excited. Here's the, well, you can like lay fully back. I didn't even go all the way back, but, and it's motorized, it's quiet, you can't even hear it. They did, I don't know, I'm freaking out about this. And oh, I was gonna say, so you can customize the shape of it too. If you want, like, if you just wanted a little love seat, you could just do the two ends. You can make it longer, you can make it have chaise, it curves. You can get one that curves, and there's console pieces if you want like that storage console piece in there, like for a theater or something. Tons of options. Their stuff's amazing. I'm gonna put the links, of course, as always, in description, so you can check this out. Been super happy with my Chita Living items. So there's that. It's the Ohana sectional. A couple more details, actually, that I almost forgot. The middle one is motorized as well. So literally all three of these have reclining. So that's good. So you know how sometimes they only have on the ends and then the middle person's just like out of luck. You can do all three, and then the assembly on it's super easy too. Ben did that. Just all the things, checks all the boxes. Definitely want to share this with you since I've gotten so many questions over the years on recliners, and hopefully that will be a good solution for a lot of you. I just put a couple of little ottomans here so that you can, you know, kind of, they're just flexible. We can move them around for extra seating. And then the rug, this is such a good rug. Guys, this is the 9x12, one of the ones from my new line. It is so washable. So this was perfect for up here because, you know, the kids can spill on it, and it washes. It's stain resistant, but it's also machine washable. So you can literally put the whole thing in the washing machine. Usually you don't need to, you can just spot clean it really easily. Just like I was saying, how the sofa fabric's really good that way too. I just wanted to have pieces that were really like low, like, you know, low stress. So this rug is one of my faves, of course, and it is the Vienna rug in the 9x12. Again, links are down in the description for you. And I have a coupon code DLD to get 10% off that. I think I have one for the sectional as well. So I'll put those included. And anyway, this one, for as far as colors, it's kind of like a really muted greenish gray tone as the main color, maybe a blue-green gray. And then it's got kind of the browns for the pattern, but really like subtle and neutral, but pretty, 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 I think. I love it. So what's really fun is these desks. I just got these, so this is making it all official. We've got the pretty, these are a faux leather chair. Again, super easy to clean. comfortable, and then still stylish. I paired those with these really cute oval desks. I'll pull this out. And these are a real wood. Kids got all their supplies in there. I wanted something that was like low profile. So you can see these aren't super deep, but it's got what they need for their computers and then writing and that stuff. And kind of minimal, but like gets the job done. Checked all the boxes that we had. I'm gonna show you this wall too really quick. Obviously we have like a TV in here for like school videos and stuff. I've been debating, because with it being summer, we were using it as a media space, but I might end up, we'll see, I might steal this for for another spot and put a table and chairs here. We're just gonna kind of live with it and see, because it's been really nice to have this for like the kids to even cozy up and read when they're doing their reading. It's just like a little more comfortable spot than at the desk. So I don't know, it's kind of cool, because with homeschool, you can kind of tailor all of the learning. We get so used to how we do it at school that you kind of get the joy of putting the home part into it. And so that's been really kind of nice, because you can kind of see which things work best for your family. But again, if y'all need just a home school or a home workroom, you know, these are really great little desks that don't take up a ton of space. If you want to make your kids kind of like a little homework nook or anything like that. Sometimes homes have a loft and you can turn it into a homework area. So these are a really great option. Again, same thing, because I wanted to keep kind of like a little bit of consistency between the sides. So each of our 4 kids has their own desk and chair. And then I built these in. These will really be bookshelves filled with their school materials probably. But right now they have some of the cute, fun decor on them. And while I'm thinking about it too, Ben grabbed these, my husband Ben. He hasn't been in a video for a while, so I have to like give him a little introduction. But they have these right now for like 180 bucks. They've been great little Chromebooks, really affordable if you're looking for something like that. And then, of course, we did this built-in over here, which I want to show you. I had fun designing this one because I wanted it to feel European and unique, but also give us a ton of storage. So it's really nice because we have the closed storage, but then we still have like a little bit of airflow and detail with this. So we've got supplies in there, and I did a little bit kind of a funky move and put the handle sideways, but I'm loving it because it kind of ties in with the one I did down here. We've got some drawers on the bottom of these built-in shelves. So kind of a mix of open and closed storage. And as we get more school stuff, we're kind of still working on all the books and supplies. Of course, I'm sure we'll utilize even more of these cabinets and things. But I love the light in here. I love the unique ceiling. Of course, this floor plan I drew from scratch, so I got to do whatever I wanted, and it's been really fun just like to be able to, you know, make the ceilings like this and have the windows where I want them and do a built-in shelf. Like, it's just like super cool, super grateful we got to do that. You'll see the light fixtures up there in the controversial white plaster. No regrets over here, but I know those have been like the hot topic for people. Like on Instagram, everyone's like, why did you do white lighting? Like, cause I love it. So I still love it. And those are really fun, I think, up there. We did the plaster wall. I forgot to talk about that over here, but this is like a custom plaster. I used a company locally, La Fucina. They're Italian, so it's like real Italian craftsmanship. They're the best over there. So if you're looking for plaster work in Utah, love those guys. I think they even do some out of state, so you can check on that. But that's been a really fun detail. I love that there. So this is the space. Hopefully y'all like it. Let me know in comments what you think and any questions you have that I might have missed. Also leave it there. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.